Hello students, I am Sangeeta. Welcome back to English lessons. In the previous video, I explained you about present and past tense. In this video, I am going to explain you about future tense. Let's see about future simple or simple future. There are three forms in future simple. The first one is going to, the second one is present continuous, and the third one is will. Okay, will show simple future in three forms: going to, present continuous, will. The first one is going to. Going to will show for the plans and intentions. Okay, what we plan, what we intention will show in going to. The structure of the going to is subject plus am or is or are, going to plus verb plus object. Okay, the structure is same like present continuous tense. Okay, there in present continuous tense we use verb plus single form as, is, or, but here the changes is only going to. Will use going to plus verb plus object. Okay, the example is we are going to buy a car. Rahul is going to take a vacation from work. Okay, we are going to buy a car. It's a plan. Okay, it's showing my plan or an intention. Rahul is going to take a vacation from work. His intention is going to take a vacation. Okay, and the B one is, the second one is fixed arrangements are present continuous tense. Present continuous tense, in the present continuous tense I explained you like if the action is going on, then we have to use this present continuous tense. How can we use this in simple future? I'll tell you. I'm having lunch with my family next Saturday. Okay, here I used present continuous, means I am having. Okay, subject plus am or is or are will use. Okay, having is verb plus single form, lunch with my family next Saturday or else on Saturday. Okay, here the action is next Saturday. Okay, future action I am showing in this example. The action is in future. Okay, and one more example like we are flying to Mumbai the day after tomorrow. Okay, the action is day after tomorrow. We are flying to Mumbai the day after tomorrow. We are using present continuous form and structure, but the action is in simple future, means in the coming days I am having my lunch with my family members, and even I am flying to Mumbai day after tomorrow. Okay, so what's the difference between this going to and present continuous tense? We can use even going to and even present continuous for future. How? What's the difference between these two? Okay, going to we use for plans and intentions. Okay, we use only for the plans and intentions. And present continuous tense we use for fixed arrangements. Okay, yeah, I'm decided. Okay, fully if you are decided, you have to use only present continuous tense, not going to. Okay, if you are planning to do something, if your intention is doing to something, okay, then you have to use this going to. That's the difference between this going to and present continuous tense. Okay, I'll show you with the example. I'm going to see the dentist sometime next week. Okay, I'm going to see the dentist sometime next week. Okay, means it is not yet decided. It's a plan. Okay, and I am seeing the dentist tomorrow afternoon. Okay, it is fixed. I have decided myself I'll see the dentist tomorrow afternoon. Okay, it's an arrangement. Okay, this is the difference between going to and present continuous. I hope that you understood. Okay, once again I will repeat this. For plans and intentions we use going to. For fixed arrangements we use present continuous tense. In the future simple or simple future. Okay, then the next one is will. When we have to use this will? Okay, for instant decisions, offers, promises we use this will. Okay, the structure of the will is subject plus will or shall plus V1 plus object. Okay, and in grammar, I and we use shall, you, he, she, it we use will. Okay, with the example I'll explain you. The phone is ringing. Okay, someone is saying that the phone is ringing, I will get it. It's instant decision, I didn't prepare for that. Okay, then you have to use this will. Okay, the example is the phone is ringing, so someone is saying that I will get it. Okay, this is an instant decision. And one more example, like these files are really heavy, I will help you with them. It's an offer. Okay, these files are really heavy, I will help you with them. It's an offer. Okay, then you have to use this will. Okay, next, can you lend me $200? I will pay you back next week. It's a promise. Can you lend me $200? I will pay you back next week. It's a promise. Okay, for the promise, for instant decisions, for offers, we use will. Okay, and making predictions. So what we have to use for the predictions? Will and going to, we can use both. Okay, will, we use prediction based on knowledge and personal experience. For example, I'll explain you with the example. I think India will win the 2021 World Cup. Okay, I think India will win the 2021 World Cup. Okay, it's my prediction. Okay, will win, maybe I'm saying I think India will win the 2021 World Cup. Okay, you should watch Interstellar, I'm sure you will love it. Okay, you should watch Interstellar movie, I'm sure you will love it. Okay, it's my personal experience, I have seen, so I am suggesting you to watch the movie. So here will and going to we use for even for the predictions. And going to, when we have to use this going to, again predictions based on something in the present. Look at the sky, it is going to rain soon. Okay, mom is going to be really happy when she sees my grades. Okay, mom is going to be really happy when she sees my grades. We use even going to for the prediction based on something in the present. Okay, so we use even for going to, and even present continuous tense, will for simple future or future simple. The next tense is future continuous tense. Okay, the future continuous tense is, the structure of future continuous tense is subject place, will be place, verb place, ing form. Okay, at 11 a.m. tomorrow I will be driving to Mumbai. Okay, if the action is going on in the future, then you have to use this future continuous tense. The example is at 11 a.m. tomorrow I will be driving to Mumbai. And future perfect, by August Tom will have saved 1 crore. Okay, by August Tom will have saved 1 crore. Okay, so the structure of the present future perfect is subject plus will have plus V3 form plus object. As I told you, we use perfect for only third form of the verb, that is V3. Okay, subject plus will have or shall have plus V3 form plus object. Okay, the example is by August Tom will have saved 1 crore. Okay, and even future perfect continuous tense is subject plus will have been plus verb plus ing form plus object. By August Tom will have been saving money for 6 months. Okay, so it shows completion of the actions by the time, ongoing actions in the future. Okay, so these two means future perfect continuous tense and even future perfect tense are uncommon, or rarely we use these two tenses. Okay, don't bother about these two tenses. The simple future is very important, so try to understand simple future and even future continuous tense. Okay guys, thank you.